All right, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to apply the chamfer and some fillets, all right, in Autodesk. So let's go ahead and start here. New standard part. Okay, hit create. All right, go ahead and start 2D sketch here. Select the plane. Okay, let's look at our assignment now. All right, in our assignment, we have to make this basic 2D L shape here. And we need to apply some constraints and dimensions. Notice we got some parallel constraints, some equal constraints, and some perpendicular constraints. And we have dimensions. We have an inch, 1.5 inches in height here, and zero point 0.5, okay, inches in length there. Okay, so let's go ahead and start that. Let's use our line tool, start at our apex, and just kind of, make our rough kind of sketch here. I'm going to make it a little awkward so you can see how we use these constraints. Okay. All right. So it doesn't look quite like our L shape that we want. Go ahead and hit escape. Let's start seeing how to use some of these constraints now. So let's see, we want parallel. Let's make this parallel to that one. Okay, we're good there. Let's see here. That one parallel to that one. Whoop, that one's already parallel. But perpendicular. Make that perpendicular to that. All right, now let's use our equal constraint here. Let's make that equal to that one. And let's make this one equal to that one. Okay, and I think we're good. Maybe not. Let's make that one equal to that one. Oop, yeah, we're good. All right, so we don't want to over constrain it. Now let's apply those dimensions. Click on your dimension button. Okay, we want that to be 1.5. Hit enter. Okay, zoom out or zoom, yeah. And then we want this one to be 0.5. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and finish sketch. Zoom in, center it here. Now we need to extrude it, and your assignment says a distance of 1.5 inches. Okay. Okay. Coming back to our assignment, you can see that we need to apply some fillets, 3 of them. And it says with a value of 0.25 inches. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and click on our fillet tool. All right. Enter the distance here, and it was 0.25. Okay, click there, and we have one right there, and we want one right there. Go ahead and hit apply. Okay, and there we go. That's our first file. All right, so let's go ahead and save this. Save it as, we'll save it fillet angle. Okay, so go ahead and save that because we'll use that later. All right, now we can still use this part, and let's just come over here to this section and hit delete. Let's delete that fillet. All right, so we can now start our chamfer. All right, so now that we got rid of our fillets, we can apply our chamfer. All right, so in your assignment, notice here, we want to first give this object a 45-degree chamfer with a distance of 0.125. All right, and then we need to do a different chamfer with 2 different distances. All right, one with 0.25 inches and one with 0.375 inches. And then finally, we're going to apply a fillet again, all right, with a radius, or excuse me, corner of 0.125, okay, inches. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's come to our part here. All right, let's click on chamfer. Okay, we want, okay, this one, 45-degree angle at a distance of 0.125. It's already in there. So let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, hit apply. Now we want to add a different one here. We want 2 different distances here. All right, and remember, our first distance was 0.25, and our second distance was Okay, 0.375. And we want that right there. Okay, hit apply. Okay, and go ahead and hit cancel. And lastly, we need to apply that fillet right here. Okay, so let's go back to our fillet button here, and it's 0.125, which is already there. So we can just click on right there, hit apply. Okay, and we're good. That's it. So that is our chamfer feature. So now you want to go ahead and save this as, okay, chamfer angle. Okay, because these are two different assignments here you're going to have to submit. So we have our fillet angle we just did, and now we have our chamfer angle. So go ahead and save that. Okay, and that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.